Have you ever felt like someone or something was watching you, even when you were alone in a room? Many people claim to have had paranormal experiences, such as seeing apparitions or feeling the presence of ghosts. But can ghosts really see us, or is it all just in our heads? In this video, we will explore the surprising science behind paranormal sightings and whether ghosts can actually see us. Part 1: The Science of Vision. Before we can answer the question of whether ghosts can see us, we need to understand how vision works. Vision is the process by which light enters the eye and is transformed into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. The eye has several components that work together to create vision, including the cornea, iris, lens, and retina. The retina is the part of the eye that contains photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. These cells are responsible for detecting light and transmitting the information to the brain. Rods are more sensitive to light and are responsible for detecting motion and seeing in low light conditions. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for color vision and visual acuity. So, can ghosts see us using their eyes? The answer is no. Ghosts are said to be spirits or energy that do not have physical bodies. Therefore, they cannot have eyes or any other physical sense organs. Part 2: How ghosts see. If ghosts do not have physical eyes, then how can they see? According to paranormal enthusiasts, ghosts see using a different type of vision called psychic vision. This type of vision is said to be based on the ability to perceive energy rather than light. Psychic vision is said to be a form of extrasensory perception, ESP, which is the ability to perceive things that are beyond the reach of the five senses. This ability is said to be innate in some people, but it can also be developed through meditation and other spiritual practices. Some paranormal researchers have suggested that ghosts are able to see using psychic vision because they are able to perceive the energy fields that surround living beings. These energy fields, sometimes called auras, are said to contain information about a person's emotions, thoughts, and physical health. Therefore, it is possible that ghosts can see us using psychic vision and perceive information about us that is not visible to the naked eye. Part 3: Evidence for ghost sightings. While there is no scientific evidence to support the existence of ghosts, many people claim to have had paranormal experiences that they believe are evidence of ghost sightings. One common type of ghost sighting is an apparition, which is the visual appearance of a ghost. Apparitions can take many forms, from transparent figures to solid-looking entities. Some apparitions are said to be able to interact with the living, while others simply appear and disappear without any apparent purpose. Another type of ghost sighting is the feeling of a presence. This can manifest as a sense of being watched, a feeling of unease, or even physical sensations such as cold spots or tingling. While these experiences are often dismissed as hallucinations or tricks of the mind, some paranormal researchers believe that they are evidence of the existence of ghosts. Part 4: The Limitations of Paranormal Research. Despite the claims of paranormal enthusiasts, there is little scientific evidence to support the existence of ghosts or psychic abilities. Many studies that have attempted to investigate paranormal phenomena have been criticized for their lack of rigor and methodological flaws. One problem with paranormal research is that it is often difficult to control for confounding variables. For example, in a study investigating the ability of psychics to predict future events, it is difficult to rule out the possibility that the psychics are simply making lucky guesses or using cold reading techniques to gather information about the study participants. Another problem with paranormal research is that many of the phenomena under investigation are subjective and difficult to measure. For example, it is difficult to measure psychic abilities or energy fields using standard scientific methods. Finally, paranormal research is often criticized for its lack of replication. Many paranormal studies have produced inconsistent results, and there is a lack of consensus among researchers about the validity of paranormal phenomena. Part 5: The Psychology of Ghost Sightings. While there is little scientific evidence to support the existence of ghosts or psychic abilities, there are several psychological factors that may contribute to ghost sightings. One of these factors is the power of suggestion. When people are told that a location is haunted or that they are likely to experience paranormal activity, they may be more likely to interpret ambiguous stimuli as evidence of ghosts. Another factor is the influence of cultural beliefs and expectations. In many cultures, belief in ghosts and the afterlife is common, and these beliefs may influence the way people interpret their experiences. Finally, some paranormal experiences may be the result of psychological disorders or neurological conditions. For example, sleep paralysis, a condition in which a person is unable to move or speak while falling asleep or waking up, is often accompanied by hallucinations that can be interpreted as ghostly visitations. So, can ghosts really see us? While there is little scientific evidence to support the existence of ghosts or psychic abilities, many people believe in their existence and claim to have had paranormal experiences. Whether these experiences are evidence of the supernatural or the result of psychological and cultural factors remains a topic of debate. Regardless of the cause, paranormal experiences can be fascinating and even comforting to those who believe in their reality. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the mystery and allure of the paranormal will continue to captivate us for years to come. Thanks for watching.